To add fingerprint into the POCO M8, open the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and you have to just open the fingerprints, face data and the screen lock settings. Now select fingerprint unlock, wait for 100%, input your current screen lock, and now we get information that there's some protection tip. So screen protectors might interfere with the screen fingerprint recognition. Okay, now as you can see the scanner is available here, so we have to put our finger on this one and we have to just keep tapping until we fulfill this fingerprint icon with that blue color, just like this. You have to make sure that you are gonna scan right part of your finger, left part, top, bottom and the middle part. If you got some issues and you cannot actually scan your finger fully, you can use second hand. Take a look. It's still gonna work. It's not gonna recognize that it is actually the different one. And now take a look. If I want to actually enable it with a finger, I can use the right one, but probably I will be able to use my thumb. Yeah, it works for both of them. So this is it, the quick tip. Thanks for watching this video.